manufacturing process for 3M electrical tape begins when rubber compounds are heated in an elevated mixer before being dropped onto a mill. This mill then rolls the rubber compound into pigs, which the operator cuts up and transports to the second step in the adhesive manufacturing process. This next step is highly secretive and 3M doesn't share their adhesive recipe, but the only thing we do know is the pigs are mixed with other ingredients to make the adhesive, which is then pumped into a storage tank. The tape backing manufacturing begins by heating and mixing raw materials before extruding it through a die to create a long singular vinyl rope. The vinyl is then heated and flattened through a calendering process to create a thin vinyl sheet that will become the tape backing. It is then cooled on a second set of rolls that wounds up the backing into jumbos before being transported to the third step, coating. The vinyl is unwound and coated with primer, then the adhesive on the same side using an adhesive coater before being put into a long oven to cure and then wound back up onto a second jumbo. The next step is quality testing using 3 different tests. First, it is tensily tested by stretching. Then, it goes through an electrical charge test called dielectric testing. Finally, it is tested for its stickiness in different rooms, one of them being a cold room. Once tested and approved, the tape is wounded onto smaller cores to a specified length and then transported to the slitter. They are then mechanically cut, labeled, and packaged for delivery.